Hey y'all, so I went to the post office this morning to mail an order, and normally I don't check my mail till late at night if I check it at all because I never usually get anything. So while I was there, the lady was like, are you here to pick up your mail? I said, no, I'm here to send an order. I never get mail. And she said, you're Joanna's DIY Life, right? And I was like, yes, ma'am. She said, well then, you have mail, dear. And I was like, wow, that's awesome. I did not expect the box to be this big, but I want to give a shout out to Robin. That's all I'm going to say. And I haven't opened this because when I get mail, I like to do the subscriber mail, a video so that you see it right along with me and see my reactions because I love people's reactions. I think, most of the time I love people's reactions. So let's open this baby up. Oh, wowzies. There's a lot of goodies in here. First of all, you didn't have to. You did not have to do that. I got a card that's personal. That's between me and Robin. But let's see what I got. I got vinyl fabric. That is neat. There's all kinds of those in here, y'all. That is so cool. That is so cool. That is so pretty, isn't it? Like, I could think of something to do for Christmas with this. It is so pretty. Okay. Oh, jelly rolls. I love fabric. I love fabric. These are so neat. This is Christmas. There's so many patterns in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all, these are so beautiful. Look at this. How gorgeous are these? I don't even want to DIY these. She got me 2 of them. I just love them. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Those are gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. More ribbon. That's pretty as well. I could use that as trim. Okay. Oh wow. That is very pretty. That is very pretty. I love those roses. That is awesome. More fabric. I got more fabric. Oh, I love these colors. I love these colors. I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these, but I love them. Look how pretty. So pretty. And there's another one. Lord, she's got me with this fabric, y'all. She's got me. There's another one. Okay, I'm going to have to open this one. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to DIY with these. And of course, she got me a vintage rose paper pack. Y'all, that is so gorgeous. I know my light is shining. I'm so sorry. But this is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with that too. Let me see. What are these? Oh wow. Stencils. Huh. I love stencils. I don't use them much because I'm intimidated by them, to be honest with you. Look. There's all different kinds in there. Set of 6 border stencils. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are beautiful. That is awesome. Oh, I got hung on the box. Hung on the box. More beautiful rose. Oh, y'all can't see. You can see on this side. Sorry. beautiful rose embroidered ribbon or trim. That is so, so pretty. And then the last thing in here is beautiful heart ribbon. Do you see that? Let me see. I know I'm noisy. I get super nervous doing this. Y'all wouldn't believe that, but I do. I still don't like my face being in front of the camera. And today I am plain Jane, y'all. I went to the mail. I'm babysitting my granddaughter, and you know, I don't apologize for it. But look, is it upside down? No, I don't know if it's upside down. It's really, really pretty. Thank you so much, Robin. You are a blessing. You are a blessing. I'm super excited. I was like a kid at Christmas or a kid in a candy store. But anyway, this is just me. I'm plain Jane all the time. It's how I run around. I am what I am. It's what I tell people. I don't make no bones about it. I'm not fake in any way. You know, it's just, why be fake, okay? It is what it is. So, anyways, I enjoyed this. I thoroughly enjoyed this. And thank you so, so much, Robin. You are a blessing. Until next time, goodbye.